combination of the two with a... Why can't I speak today? I'm wanting use clean up the outer quarter. Why can't I speak? Oh. Hey guys, welcome to another Vlogmas makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this super like ultra Christmassy glam green glitter red shimmer everything makeup look. I just kind of went all out Christmassy vibes for this video, and I actually love how this makeup look came out. So yeah, I'm going to be taking you through the steps of how I created literally every step of this, and yeah, let's get into the video. So, I have been having some technical issues to say the least. I wanted to start filming this video at 10 o'clock and it is now 11:15, so that didn't go to plan. I've had loads of problems with my lighting. For some reason, I just can't seem to figure out like the best setting for lighting in this room. But yeah, we're gonna get into the video. So as you can see, I have already started off my makeup by doing my eyebrows and my eyeshadow base for brows. I used the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown, of course. And then I carved my brows using the P. Louise base in the shades 01 on the arch of my brow to try and give it that sort of lift and pop. And then Rumor 2 on just the rest of it. So this is the eyeshadow look which I'm going to be trying to recreate or take inspiration from. I don't think I will do it exactly the same, but that's basically the kind of thing that I'm going for. I found this photo on Pinterest. I don't actually know who she is, so if you know what her Instagram or YouTube handles are or anything like that, then just let me know and I will put it in the description, of course, to credit her. So I think the main eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using for this look is the Beauty Bay Bright palette. It looks like this, and I'm obviously going to be sticking with this row mainly here, which is the green and yellow row. So to start off my eyeshadow, I'm going to take quite a dense brush, which is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brush in JH32. It just looks like this. And I think I'm going to go in with a combination of the two with a... Why can't I speak today? And I think I'm going to go in with a combination of the two shades, which are Slice of Lime and Granny Smith. So I'm just taking this and starting to build it up in my crease. I literally never work with greens, so this is kind of taking me out of my comfort zone. So now I'm going to take a slightly denser brush, and this is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH33 brush. And I'm just going to start going into the outer crease a bit more with some darker shades, and for that I'm going to use, I think, a combination of Granny Smith again and Labyrinth. So I'm just going to start taking these shades. Ooh, this is pigmented. Wow, okay. I'm just going to start taking these shades mixed together and just packing them into my outer crease. So as you can see, this one is quite a bit darker than the other side. So I feel like I've reached about maximum pigment using this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to have a dig around in my drawer and see if I have any darker shadows, because I do want to add even more depth. I went for a little hunt to find a darker green, and I found one which I really like in the Me, Myself and Mitchell Be Perfect Cosmetics collab palette, and it is the shade Mardy. It's this one right here. It's this really nice dark camo green colour, which I'm just going to add into the outer corner again. And as I'm getting more precise with the shades, I'm of course wanting to use a more dense and smaller brush. So this is just a Pro Fusion brush. It's this small feathered brush. And I'm going to take some of the shade Mardy, tap off the excess and start building that into the outer corner. I just gotta say, I love creating wearable, everyday makeup looks. Yeah, no, I don't do everyday makeup looks. Okay, so I feel like I've pretty much blended that as much as I want, and now I'm going to go in and do the cut crease using my P. Louise base again, but this time in the shade Rumor 0, which is just their pure white base. That was like the first time I've managed to get through a sentence without messing anything up. Well done, Flo! For some reason I just cannot speak today and I do not know what is going on. I'm going to take this brush and my white base on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to start doing my cut crease. Now, the way that I like to start doing a cut crease is I pack some of the base onto just above my lash line, and then you look up and can you see it creates like a line? So that is where your natural crease is. So you want to make sure that the crease is above that line. Firstly, so it makes your eyes look bigger. Secondly, so if it's still a bit tacky, it doesn't like transfer up onto your lid every time you blink, if you get what I mean. There we go. So there I have my crease cut. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my other cut crease off camera because it's literally just going to be exactly the same. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back and we have both creases cut. I hope those look kind of similar. Do they look similar to you? Yeah, they'll do. Okay, so there we have it. It is time for the exciting bit, which is the glitter. I have just realised that all my glitter is still in the house. Oh, I'm gonna have to get myself up, go inside, go and get my glitters and come back. So I will see you in like 2 minutes once I've run and got my glitters. Okay, she's back. So these are the 3 glitters which I grabbed. I'll have all the products linked in the description, so if you want to check out anything that I use, then you can have a look. And then I also grabbed this glitter glue, which I'm just going to use to apply it. So as we can see in the photo, she has done a tiny bit of glitter along the top of the cut crease, and she's also done a glitter winged liner, so I'm going to do the same. And I think I'm going to do the wing first, just because it's a little bit easier. Here goes. It's actually really difficult because it's like clear, I can't see what I'm doing. So let's tip some of this out. This is actually so satisfying. This is going to take a while. Oh, it's so pretty though. Oh my god, I love this already. Funny thing is, I usually hate glitter. Like, actually hate glitter, but this is giving me so much joy. Ah! Oh, I love it so much. Oh my god. I'm actually so obsessed. There we go. We have both sections done. Now, I am going to clean up this outer corner a little bit. I'm not just going to leave it like that. But I'm so obsessed with this. So as usual, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera because it's literally just the same. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this, I have glitter everywhere. Oh my goodness. Whoops. Okay, so as I say, I'm gonna go and do the other eye, then I'll be right back. I'm so excited for this. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and I'm gonna clean up the outer corner, and this will hopefully be super satisfying. What is it about speaking on YouTube videos that just makes people like forget how to speak properly? I swear this is a universal thing, like don't tell me this is just me. So now I'm going to whack on some lashes, and these are some of my favourite ever lashes in the style Bubble Pop from Unicorn Cosmetics. Also, how cute is this packaging? So I'm just gonna open these up, trim them down, put them on, yeah. Lashes are now on. As you can tell, these are actually quite subtle. I thought they might be a bit more like dramatic, but I quite like the subtle look because it brings out like the glitter. It doesn't like distract from everything that's going on with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to move on to the face makeup. I really feel like this eyeshadow calls for glowy skin, so I'm going to start prepping my skin with the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. Looks like this. Oh, okay, that was quite a lot. Okay, so before this has too much of a chance to dry, I'm going to move on to foundation, and I'm using this Colourpop No Filter foundation in medium 100. And I'm just going to take like the end of a brush and do some little blobs all over my face. And the brush I'm going to use is this Real Techniques 200 brush. It's from a Christmas collection, and I'm just going to blend this out. Now that the foundation is done, I'm going to go in with 2 shades of concealer. The first is the L'Oreal Perfect Match concealer in the shade 1N. And the second is the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in C4. I'm just going to blend this out. Now I'm going to take some contour, and I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. So I'm just putting lots of this around the edge of my face. And I'm going to go in and blend this with an Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 brush. And then just to sharpen up this contour, I'm going to take this Morphe angled sponge, and I'm just going to pat it into pressed powder. Sharpen this up a tiny bit. This bit is always so unflattering to do on camera, just saying. And now that that is done, I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lashes as well. Again, very unflattering. Now we are on to my favourite step of literally every single makeup look, and that is highlighter. I'm going to use Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Star Island, and it's this gorgeous goldy sort of coloured highlight. Oh my god! That is so beautiful. Wow. Okay. Okay, Ofra. That is so stunning. Give me a minute. This is literally so stunning. I never thought that I would get quite so excited over a highlighter, but wow. Okay. Okay. So I believe that we are now on to the final step, which is lips. And the girl who did this makeup look has gone all out Christmas, and she has gone with a red sort of glowy, glittery, shimmery lip. This is the Anastasia red glittery lipstick in Phantom. I'm just going to take this and whack it straight on. Oh wow, okay. This lipstick is quite something. So, what do we think? I think this is the finished look, and I really like it. My lashes are coming off just the tiniest bit, but I don't really have time to just re-stick them on, so just ignore that if you can tell. But there were very many things which went wrong with this video, especially at the beginning with all my lighting problems and forgetting things in the house and all that kind of thing. But we've got here in the end. I did quite a few things that are stepping out of my comfort zone, like using lots of glitter and doing quite sort of detailed bits, and also a really dark lip, which you guys know I never do. I'm a lover of nude lips. I literally never really do anything apart from nude lips, but I actually really like trying something a little bit different every now and then. I am actually quite a big fan of how this came out. So yeah, I guess that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching it, maybe following along. Do send me some photos if you recreate it or anything like that, because I always love seeing it. And yeah, I will see you in the next Vlogmas video. Do be active in the comments, I'll be replying to everyone. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.